Hello and welcome to part 3 in my video series about how to induce labour naturally. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Anja and I'm a hypnobirthing practitioner. My YouTube channel is here to support you through pregnancy, birth and motherhood, so please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you don't miss my weekly videos, which come out every single Tuesday. So let's delve in to the next lot of ways that you can naturally induce your labour. Getting intimate with your partner can naturally induce labour at the end of your 3rd trimester. So cuddling, kissing, making love to your partner can release loads of the hormone oxytocin into your bloodstream. And as you probably know already from watching the previous videos in this series, oxytocin is the hormone needed for labour to start. Also, semen contains a hormone called prostaglandins, which can soften and ripen a cervix, encouraging it to dilate. If you have a medical induction in the hospital, you'll often be offered a pessary or a gel which contains synthetic prostaglandins. So why not ask your partner to give you some natural ones? Now, I know some women don't feel like making love to their partner when they're heavily pregnant, but if you do other intimate activities with your partner, that can encourage oxytocin flow and it can also help to bring on labour. You can also do some nipple stimulation, so massaging your nipples at the end of your 3rd trimester can encourage oxytocin to be released and that can initiate labour. So you should focus on one nipple at a time, get a little bit of oil on your thumb and your first finger and then gently roll your nipple in between these 2 fingers for like 10 to 15 minutes at a time and then switch to your other breast and do the same thing. Now, you shouldn't do any nipple stimulation until your pregnancy is full term, which means after 37 weeks. Generally, women are enjoying a few weeks of maternity leave before their labour starts. So if you don't want to bring on labour between 37 and 40 weeks, start massaging your nipples after 40 weeks. And when it comes to using any oil to do nipple stimulation, you can use a little bit of sunflower oil, olive oil or almond oil. You don't need to use anything fancy or anything perfumed. And when you have done a little bit of nipple stimulation, you can then massage the areola surrounding your nipple with your other fingers. Acupuncture and acupressure can also help to bring on labour. Experts in acupuncture and acupressure know certain points on the body that can be stimulated to aid cervical dilation and start off contractions. So if you're interested in that, look for an acupuncture specialist or an acupressure specialist in your local area and book an appointment with them after 40 weeks. You can also diffuse clary sage oil. Clary sage is known to induce labour contractions, and some women will also diffuse clary sage oil in their birth room during labour to make their contractions more efficient and shorten their labour time. You shouldn't diffuse clary sage oil before 39 or 40 weeks of pregnancy, so please remember that. Thanks so much for watching this video series. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope that you now understand a little bit more about how you can induce labour naturally at home. If you've got any questions about the natural induction of labour, please pop me a message in the comments section beneath this video and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And if you're interested in delving deeper into hypnobirthing, why not check out my hypnobirthing mini course and my full online hypnobirthing course. The links are detailed in the video description below. Both courses offer you video and audio modules plus PDF downloads for you and your partner so that you can prepare for a joyful and calm birth experience together. Thanks so much again for watching this video and see you in my next one.